Well, hi there. Are your knives getting dull? And every time you buy some kind of a sharpener, it's not very good. Well, I think I'll show you a better way to sharpen the knife. Takes a little bit of work to get it done, but then it lasts you a lifetime. So let's go have a look at it. Well, this is the base that you need. You buy that in the dollar store and you measure out the holes and make sure it fits into your sink. The sink is usually 13 3/4 inches wide. So you gotta measure the board out and put a couple blocks in there. So when you put it in the sink, it's nice and solid. This little drill holder here is 3 5/8 to 2 holes that you gotta drill and put the ring nuts on it. So let's see if it works. Fits pretty snug, doesn't it, eh? That's what we want. Now you put your drill here. You tighten up your wing nuts. You screw it up a little bit just to tighten that up. Now we got something that holds. Now I'm going to use a little clamp to adjust my speed. Okay. Looks like it's ready to go. Wow, it's sharp already. Oh, it's so sharp, you gotta be careful how you touch it, but it does a good job. A little water. Wet your stone a little bit and there you go. Wow, that's pretty sharp. sharp. So it's a simple setup. It's easy to put on, it's easy to take off, and sharpens knife very well. You can buy this wheel for $10 and it'll last you for a couple of years anyway. So thank you for watching.